Hi everyone, Joe Williams, bankruptcy attorney here, and I just got off the phone with a client who asked one of the best questions I think I've ever gotten, and it really caught me off guard. So I thought I might as well share what I told her with you, because frankly, I think many people think this question, but they don't necessarily have the courage to ask it. So I told this client, I said, I'm really proud of you for asking it, and happily, the answer I gave her was the answer she was hoping for. So what she asked was, during bankruptcy, right, there's really only one court hearing you'll attend. And in general, it's going to be either via Zoom or phone call. And that's called the 341 meeting of creditors, okay? And in that meeting, I explained to her there's the trustee, there's not the judge. So there's a person called the United States trustee, and they're there and they're looking at your paperwork and they're administering your case. All right. So I told her it's going to be the trustee, my client, myself, and then any creditors that may want to just participate and just ask her questions about what's going on. And when I said this to her, she asked an amazing question, which was, are they going to yell at me? So I think that's a very fair and honest question, because when you're facing debt, when you're facing bankruptcy, I think there's a lot of guilt associated with it. There's a lot of anxiety, and the worry is that people are just going to come down crashing on you, and couldn't be farther from the truth. So first thing I said was, these trustees, your case is going to be one of 100 they see this week. So they're not going to be wagging the finger at you. They're not going to be trying to break you down. They're just asking for the information that they need just to do their job. So that was the first thing. The second thing is, most of the time creditors aren't there, but when they are there, they're doing the same thing. All right. They've got 100 other cases they're working on. They just want to know what happened, right? Why did we get here, and what can be done in the future to, on their end, just to prevent this from happening with future clients or future people they loan money to, right? And of course, I won't yell at them. I won't yell at her, because of course I'm her attorney. The whole process of bankruptcy is there to make your life better. It's to help you, the debtor. It actually gives you, the debtor, power over your debt and over your life. So no, 99.9% of the time, nobody's going to be yelling at you. And if they will, myself or whoever your attorney is will yell back. So don't stress if you're worried about getting yelled at in bankruptcy. That is one thing that you should absolutely not be worried about. So that's it for me today. If you're in Michigan and you're considering bankruptcy, please subscribe and reach out to me. Even if you're not in Michigan, please reach out if you think we can help and connect you with somebody who can help you a little bit more. So have a great day. Thank you.